Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking practice session. I'm Emily.
And I'm Michael. Today, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to speak slowly, clearly, and naturally.
That's right. We're going to practice 50 everyday English conversation questions for beginners. These are simple questions you can use every day, and we're going to speak slowly so you can listen carefully and repeat.
So relax, take your time, and enjoy learning. Let's start improving your English step by step through real, everyday expressions.
Ready? Let's start with the first sentence. What's your name?
What's your name?
Good. Now say it slowly.
What's your name?
My name is Emily. What's your name?
My name is Michael. What's your name?
Nice. Full sentence answer. How are you today?
How are you today?
Great. Keep it friendly. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Smooth and natural. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Clear question. I'm from Thailand. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam. Where are you from?
Good. Confident answer. How old are you?
How old are you?
Good. Keep it simple. I'm 24 years old.
I'm 24 years old.
Perfect. What do you do?
What do you do?
Nice question. I am a student. What do you do?
I am an office worker. What do you do?
Great. Good structure. Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Good. Clear pronunciation. I live in Chiang Mai.
I live in Chiang Mai.
Nice and natural. Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Common and useful. Yes, I speak a little English.
Yes, I speak a little English.
Good confidence. What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
Great. Say numbers clearly. My phone number is 08.
My phone number is 08.
Nice and clear. What time is it?
What time is it?
Good. Everyday question. It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
Perfect. What day is today?
What day is today?
Good for daily conversation. Today is Monday.
Today is Monday.
Great. Simple answer. Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Very polite. Good. Yes, I can help you.
Yes, I can help you.
Nice tone. Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Useful anywhere. The restroom is over there.
The restroom is over there.
Good pronunciation. How do you go to work?
How do you go to work?
Good. Ask about transportation. I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
Nice and clear. What do you like to eat?
What do you like to eat?
Smooth question. I like to eat noodles.
I like to eat noodles.
Great. What's your favorite drink?
What's your favorite drink?
Very natural question. My favorite drink is tea.
My favorite drink is tea.
Good answer. What time do you wake up?
What time do you wake up?
Good. Very common. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Nice job. Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
Good rhythm. Yes, I have one sister.
Yes, I have one sister.
Perfect. What do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
Nice. Conversation starter. I like reading books.
I like reading books.
Good. Simple hobby. Do you like traveling?
Do you like traveling?
Great question. Yes, I like traveling very much.
Yes, I like traveling very much.
Smooth answer. Have you eaten yet?
Have you eaten yet?
Natural daily question. Yes, I had lunch already.
Yes, I had lunch already.
Nice. Can you say that again?
Can you say that again?
Great. Ask when confused. Could you speak more slowly?
Could you speak more slowly?
Very helpful sentence. Do you understand?
Do you understand?
Good check question. Yes, I understand.
Yes, I understand.
Great. Clear and short. Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Nice, everyday question. I'm going to the supermarket.
I'm going to the supermarket.
Good. What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
Perfect daily question. It's sunny and warm today.
It's sunny and warm today.
Very natural. What are your goals this year?
What are your goals this year?
Good reflective question. My goal is to improve my English.
My goal is to improve my English.
Excellent. Our favorite sentence.
Thanks for coaching me today, Emily. Practicing slowly really helps me remember the sentences.
You're doing a great job, Michael. Just repeat a few sentences every day and they'll come naturally.
I'll keep it that way. Should we keep some of today's sentences to practice tomorrow?
Of course. Just review them gently once a day, speak clearly, and keep your mouth relaxed. You're making great progress.
Thank you, Emily. Have a great day.
Have a great day, Michael. Stay refreshed and ready for the next practice session.